Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Pass the Figure. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, select Keyboard and Mouse. Look for, in here you can find the different actions that you can perform during game. Let's say I want to change the move up from W to the up arrow. Let's say I want to change all of those. Unfortunately, I cannot. I don't know why. The devs prevent you from playing with the arrow keys. Anyway, I will try to subsidize this for different set of keys. Let's say I want to change move up to T, move down to G, etc. I can do so by simply clicking on the grayed field right here and entering the desired key to bind it to the action. In this way, you can change the following: the movement keys, the move up, move down, move left, move right. You can change the shoot key, battle skill key, ultimate key, dodge key, reload, pick up or interact, share, or switch weapon. Once you are done adjusting those to your liking, press the back button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.